Chicken cacciatore. First off, season the chicken. Salt and pepper. Into the pan we go. I'm not cooking the chicken yet, just searing them off. Now I've got all that flavour in that pan. Onion, olive oil, fresh rosemary, thyme, mushrooms, whole, tomatoes, touch of salt, butter, chili flake, tomato puree, olives, capers, red wine, just a touch, can of tomatoes, balsamic vinegar. Now our chicken goes back in and we sort of submerge it. And then from there, this whole thing goes in the oven. 15 minutes max. Now the polenta. I've got boiling chicken stock, extra virgin olive oil. Gently sprinkle in your polenta and whisk at the same time. I like it quite thick. Once you've got the thickness, take it off the stove, touch more salt. Beautiful aged Parmesan, fresh pepper, butter, and parsley. And now the beautiful Italian kiss. Just drizzle over. Now, the final garnish, broccolini with some extra virgin olive oil, salt, pepper, chili flakes. Placed on the grill. A little bit of pressure on there. Beautiful. Look at that. The flavour is incredible. Again, a little touch of extra virgin olive oil and aged balsamic vinegar. And now, the cacciatore. Look at that. So beautiful. Bella.